Every day is not a success. Every year is not a success. You have to celebrate the good. Those who don't believe in magic will never find it. No one is you, and that is your superpower. To succeed in life, you need three things: a wishbone, a backbone, and a funny bone. The biggest adventure you can take is to live the life of your dreams. The best time for new beginnings is now. Life's most persistent and urgent question is, what are you doing for others? I have failed over and over and over again in my life, and that is why I succeed. Nothing can dim the light that shines from within. It's not what we have in life, but who we have in our life that matters. One day or day one, it's your decision. Embrace the glorious mess that you are. Every day may not be good, but there is something good in every day. Sometimes you will never know the value of the moment until it becomes a memory. Difficult roads often lead to beautiful destinations.